This is a 4 elements yagi for Mr. Joel Sason going to Iloilo City. So let's check the antenna configuration. This is for the frequency 142 to 148 megahertz with center frequency at 145.8 megahertz. So let's check the antenna configuration. I have marked the elements with numbers on the elements and on the boom, so you just need to put back the corresponding elements with respect to their numbers on the boom. So each element is marked properly. You just need to put those elements back on the boom with their corresponding numbers. We have the gamma match. This is the SO239 connector. We have the tuning stub. I have marked the position of the tuning stub in between those marking tapes, so you just need to put back the tuning stub in between the marking tapes. So this is the plastic spacer. You just need to secure it with cable tie, one at the top and one at the bottom. So this is now connected to an RG8 coaxial cable attached to my antenna analyzer. So let's check the frequency response of this antenna on the intended frequency. So as we can see, from 145.8 our BSWR is 1.0 with antenna return loss of minus 41 dB. So let's check the individual frequency from 145 to 148. So going down, 144 is 1.3, 143 is 1.3, and 142 is 1.4. Going up to 146 is 1.0, 147 is 1.3, 148 is 1.5, and 149 is 1.6. So the intended frequency of use is 146, around 600 or 700 megahertz. So that's 1.2 at 146.6. Let's check 147. It's 1.4 on 147 megahertz. So this antenna is properly working on those selected frequencies of operation. So let's check the frequency curve. So as you can see here, we have 142, the bottom of the band, and 149, the upper frequency on the band. We have the center frequency at 145.8 at 1.0. So the lowest SWR on the frequency curve is around 1.4 at 142. So let's check that. Going to 142, that's 1.4, and going to 149 is 1.6. So the exact center frequency is 145.8 at 1.0 SWR. So let's check the antenna return loss and the impedance. The antenna return loss is minus 37 dB. Reactance is minus 1.48 ohms, and impedance is 50.19 ohms at the center frequency. So this is a fully working antenna, and this is ready to ship to Mr. Sason going to Iloilo City. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and until next time.